Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to remove homepage badges in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit hosttube.net. The link's in the description. That's where we'll find our code. Simply click the button to copy the code. Then go back to Shopify and paste the code into the blank line we left. After pasting, look for the Save button in the top right corner. Click it and the changes will be saved automatically. Now if we check our store before the change, we'll see the sold out badges. Refresh the page and those badges should be gone. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.